Hey guys, let's take a quick look at SushiSwap here. As you can see, Sushi did have trouble with the line that I put, I think a couple days ago. I think I made a video on Sushi, but you can see it kind of struggled here about 4 times before it finally broke through, actually last night about midnight, and it has tested this line as support 3 times now. And that's probably why it's getting a nice little bounce here. I think the next line we have to worry about is up here at about $1.55, as I've marked that off. Now let's put this on the daily time frame. It is looking a lot better, of course, but it did have a quite large fall in April. As you can see, came down quite a bit. So it's got to claw its way back, but basically it's got to get through $1.55 next, then $1.77, and after that we can probably speak about the next targets for it, but probably it's going to be about $2.08. I could mark that off right now. As you can see, that's kind of a local top right here, and on the daily it hit it quite a few times actually. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days basically within about 10 days in March. So that's going to be, pretty much green skies, we can call it right there. I don't think there's a lot of volume above that really. Most of this volume has taken place much lower, or for SushiSwap here. A lot of accumulation, throughout the bear market came down here under $1, of course. So anyways, guys, that's what Sushi is looking like, not looking out. Now to get out of this accumulation range, it's basically got to get above about $6 too, by the way. So it's got a long way to go. It's kind of struggling. It's kind of one of the slowest movers, but I do have, I would say, a mid-sized bag of SushiSwap, but it's not a lot, and they are struggling. They have had some issues in the past. You can go back and check that out, though. There is some news from, I think, a couple of years ago. They were, I think, bankrupt or something like this. But, it doesn't matter. I do believe it will do fine in this, market, So anyways, let's take a look at the Bitcoin here. I'm getting a little tongue twisted here. But, okay, Bitcoin has broken this downward trend line here. And basically, it got rejected a couple times last night. Managed to break through this morning, my time here in Europe, and right now is floating around $69,000. It does need to get above about $70,000 to kind of clear this range here, and then I believe it will be, around 71.4. That's the next resistance that it needs to push through and to climb towards, and then it's basically 73.2, which is around the all-time highs. I think it was 73.7 if I'm correct. But yeah, guys, Bitcoin looking a little bit better. SushiSwap looking much better than it has, basically in the last month and a half. It's clawing its way back, but the next resistance is about $1.55. So anyways, guys, if you like this video, you like these updates, like, subscribe, activate the bell, and I'll see you guys in the next one.